Let me tell you guys the exact moment I realized that trading time for money would never make me rich in my life, no matter how long I try to pretend. So, guys, on that rainy Wednesday morning, I was really exhausted. I was underpaid in my workplace, you understand? And I was sitting in a crowded bus heading to work on that fateful day. I began to think about my salary. I began to think that, oh, my salary has already finished, and it wasn't even, the middle of the month. I remember looking around the bus, honestly, thinking that I was looking around the people that was there, and I was like, everybody here is very tired. Everybody here is stressed, and everybody here is working so hard, but still, they are still very broke. Likewise, myself that was sitting there. Then I whispered to myself, if I don't find a way to make money while sleeping, I will work my ass forever. That was what I whispered to myself. And that day changed my entire life. I became obsessed with learning passive income, not scam, no fantasy, but real ways to earn without trading hours. And guess what? Once I understood the system, my money started working harder than I did. So today, guys, I'm going to share with you the 10 passive income ideas you can start now, even if you are a beginner, even if you have no skills, even if you are starting from zero. So get your pen ready, grab a popcorn, because this is going to be quite tedious. This one might actually change your life. Do you understand? So you don't have any time to waste at all. Now let us go straight to what we have for the day. Now, what does this passive income really is? Now, before we begin, let us clear the biggest misconception that people always have in their mind. Some people have this mindset that passive income is not instant income, and also they also have in their mind that also this passive income is not a system. Yes, it's not a system that requires building once, refining once, automating once. No. And also it pays you every week, every month, every year. Even if while you are sleeping, while you are traveling, while you are cooking offline, or spending time with your loved one. These were the conception that people have. Do you understand? So passive income is not magic, it is strategy. And today, guys, I will show you the exact ideas that worked in 2025 and also come 2026. Now, number one passive income idea is your digital product. Digital products are number one income streams for beginners. Yes, I've listed these things over and over in my previous videos. So if you really want to see how some of these actually work, you need to go through my other videos that I have actually posted. You're going to see a lot of things that I have talked about when it comes to digital products, where you can actually sell them, where a platform that you can actually market them, and what some of these digital products are. Do you understand? So you can go through them and also see for yourself. Then I also want you to know that another passive income ideas you can actually go into is your YouTube automation. I have talked about this YouTube automation, and I told you that you don't need to show your face when it comes to YouTube automation. You can actually run a travel channel. You understand? There is what we call faceless channel. You can run a travel channel, you can run a quote channel, you can run a story channel, you can run a tutorial, you can run a motivational short compilation channels, faceless voiceover channel. Do you understand? You mustn't show your face when it comes to YouTube automation. No. You understand? And mind you that YouTube pays you when you get all the criteria, your 1,000 subscribers and also your 4,000 watch hours. It pays you through your AdSense, through your affiliate links, sponsored when people place sponsored ads on your videos, and also if you're into digital product sales, and also through your YouTube shop bonuses. So your old videos can actually continue to pay you, most especially if they are evergreen. Do you understand? So YouTube is the strongest passive income machine of all time. I call it GOAT, greatest of all time. That is it. Now, another income idea you can actually go into is your affiliate marketing. Remember, I told you guys that affiliate marketing lets you to earn by recommending apps, tools, courses, products, and services. And also, I told you guys that you can actually, promote this whole this thing on your Amazon, your Canva, your Coresa, Fever, or Skillshare, and you earn on your videos, your blog posts, TikTok, WhatsApp, TVs, and email lists. Even when you don't have any subscribers, you can start earning once people trust your recommendation. Do you understand? This is very explosive. Then another way you can actually earn your income is through AI and smudge painting. You understand? This smudge painting has really done a lot for a lot of person. I have my video where I shared how you can actually go into smudge painting. So if you've not watched that video, please do want to visit that video today and watch it. You understand? Watch it and see what I said about it. Then another passive income ideas that you can actually go into is your e-courses. You understand? You don't need to be a pro when it comes to e-courses. You just need to show something others want to learn. For example, your smudge art course, Canva design course, beginner YouTube course, phone editing, productivity course, and all of that. You can also go to platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and other platforms in order for you to actually promote these things. So you need to record once and people will buy forever. Then another side hustle you can actually go to is automated ebooks. You understand? You can write things on how to guide, beginner tutorial, travel hacks, side hustle playbooks, money mindset, relationship mini guides. Trust me, AI can help you, outline your package. You understand? So you need to package it and sell it. Now, trust me, ebooks are money machines. So don't look down on it. It sells you a lot of things. Then another passive income that you can actually go to is your short form content monetization. If you don't want to go into long form content, I've seen a lot of channels that are into short form videos and they are cashing out real big. So if you don't want to go into long form videos, you can actually go for short form. You understand? And you can actually promote them on your Facebook, your TikTok reels, Instagram, and also your YouTube listing. Then direct them through your link so that people can actually come through on your videos. You understand? And as they do this, you are also going to get pays for your views, for your engagement, for partnership, and also affiliate links. Many beginners earn close to $50 to $200, $500 per month, even more than that, just from one viral shot. Do you understand? Then another passive income that you can go into is your Notion template. You understand? Notion is trending heavily, guys. So you need to sell template like budget planner, your study organizer, your business dashboard, your content beginners, your productivity system. Do you understand? People love structure and templates sell globally. So you need to go into this if you can actually do it. Then also your automated services. This is where your beginners make serious passive income. You understand? They make this passive income by making flyer bundles, Instagram carousel, creating thumbnails, editing, and a lot of ways that you can actually earn through this. So you need to listen to me very careful now. You don't have to spend the rest of your life exchanging hours for money. Your time is too precious for that. Trust me. Your energy is too valuable for that. And your dreams are too big for that. You just need one idea, one direction, one system, and one decision. Start small. Start messy. You understand? Start afraid. But just start, because the moment you start trading time for money, you start trading ideas for freedom, and freedom is priceless. That is just it. So if this is your first time of coming across my channel, welcome, guys. Don't forget to like this video, share this video to a lot of persons, and if this is your first time of coming across my channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our weekly money and income ideas. Do not forget to type in the comment section, "I'm done trading time for money." Thank you, and see you in my next video.